Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your sleep duration goals on the Sleep as Android app. To change your sleep duration goals, go into Settings, then swipe down to Personalize. Here you can tap on Stats, and on the top you can see your sleep duration goal. You can use it to swipe around it to change the goal of how long you want to have your goal be. Or you can tap right here on the hour, which may be tricky to tap on, to choose the goal among the list. The list has 30-minute intervals, unlike this slider which has 10-minute intervals. You can also change the sleep day cutoff, where if the sleep ends after the given hour, it is counted as the next day, rather than the day when it began. Same with using the wall clock time for regularity, which only really matters if you are changing your time zones in the middle of the sleep, as well as prioritizing different things during your sleep right here. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.